Ordering a custom built PC from OverClockers UK. Video number 3, delivery and unboxing. Got email today at 8:20 AM saying that the custom built PC will be being delivered between 10 AM and 11 AM. So in less than 3 hours time, roughly 3 hours time. Also got a text message that says the same. So let's see what happens in terms of delivery. Should be straightforward. And that's the OverClockers PC delivered. There you go, that's what the box looks like. OverClockers UK logo all over it. It's actually the same as the box I bought several years ago, 3 years ago, when I last bought one from them. So it's quite light, even with one hand I can pick it up. Fragile, of course, don't want to drop. Because of COVID, they just do nothing to sign, they just take a photo of it next to the door. It's proof of delivery. I opened it, spoke to him, thanked him, and off they went. So deliveries went quite smooth. Yesterday they said it's going to be delivered, and next day it's delivered. Early yesterday morning they sent an email saying delivery will be on the 17th. So we ordered it on the 1st of July and it was delivered on the 17th of July. That's less than 15 working days. So within their 10 to 15 working day time frame. This is a straightforward build. It probably took them less than an hour to build. Pretty straightforward. Probably 30-minute, 40-minute job for them. 30-minute to build a straightforward PC. So let's go and unbox it and see what we've got.
Now I'm gonna open the box.
Yes, we're gonna open the box. We'll just remove these two black ties without cutting them off in case we need to send it back. That will save expense. And yeah, they just
slide it off.
Yeah, just slide it off.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Yeah, that's a good idea. You have to put it from the bottom as well. Stand it up, side, slowly. Have you got yours off? Yeah. You're better than me. Yeah, I've done it. Right. Load it down slowly so it's a box within a box within a box.
Oh my god! What's going on with this package? Oh my! Why did a lot of boxes?
Yeah, you get a lot of boxes. Basically all of the components, they send you the boxes that they used to build. Like the motherboard, graphics card. Oh, and a welcome. You get a little welcome to your system pack, little box.
So
you get
your computer.
The motherboard box.
I know that. You connect it to your computer so it turns on.
Yeah. Okay, the motherboard box, B450 Gaming by Asus. Yep, that's the one I ordered. You got a power cable.
That's a GST like my tablet.
So that's the motherboard box. Got lots of connectors that you can use to expand your PC, like when you insert hard drives and other power supply plugins. Yeah, that's important to keep. You're going to need stuff in this box for when you upgrade your computer, adding mainly hard drives and other peripherals. Connectors for the power supply. This is the welcome pack, which we'll have a look at in a minute. And pull that box out, that's the graphics card.
This one?
Yep, that's a cheap graphics card. Ooh. 1650 will do.
It's really nice.
Let's see what's in this. Have they given any cables? Given a display port cable or anything? HDMI cable at least. Can you open it? Just pull this out. Come on.
Should I do it?
Yeah. Let's see. No, they're not opening. Yeah, open it. You have to pull it. It's hard with one hand. There. Pull it. Okay. Oh, nothing. There's nothing in there. It's a little manual. That's nothing. Big fat zero. So we're going to have to get a separate cable. And there's the
computer.
Yes, it's called the base unit. What's it called?
Base unit.
Yes, the base unit. That's where everything is in. As you can tell, overclockers protect their systems quite well. You got the main box and everything's boxed within it, and you got these supports to take any impacts from the sides. So it's got clearance all the way around, so the box can be knocked.
So can we pick it up?
Yeah, can you pick it up? I don't think you'd be able to.
I think I'm not. Wait, the box. Oh, how's that? How?
Okay, let's pick it up. Oh. Here we go. There you go. Oh, I can't get my hand in. There we go. Move the box. Oh, put it. What are you done? Oh, I've done that. Now let's open the base unit up.
I think this is gonna look like a normal box.
Okay.
This look like a just normal computer.
Yeah.
I think this is gonna look like this computer.
Okay. Some kind of mirror on the front. This is not the case I wanted.
What?
The other one wouldn't fit.
Oh my gosh! Why is that a mirror?
There we go. Slide it out.
No, it's gonna break. It's gonna break.
Put it in. Let's do it something. Here we go. Base unit. First looks.
So what does it look like?
That's the front. Take the cover off.
Oh, that.
It's got a good. They're all at the top. In this case, all of the ports are at the top. That's good. The buttons feel well. You got 2 USB 3, 2 USB 2, headphones. And this one's for reset, on off. Oh, that filter looks loose. That's magnetic. It goes like that. It's a magnetic filter, so that's for easy cleaning. Yeah, it's got a magnetic filter, so you can just take it off, wash it. Don't have to remove any panels, just stick back on. That's a good innovation. It's got a mirror at the front.
To shine your face.
Like I said, this is not the one I chose, but they said the CPU cooler wouldn't fit. And there's the instructions to remove everything before first use. From inside, that's keeping the components in place. So basically unscrew this, you need a screwdriver. You can do it with your hand. Yeah, just to manage. Oh, it's got a little overclockers logo stuck to it as well.
That's cool.
Let's look at the back. this moves around. Yeah, there's the ports. You got more USB 3 ports, Ethernet. Got loads of USB ports. There's Ethernet. Graphics card, 1650. It's got an HDMI, DVI, and it looks like display port, but that looks a bit weird. That's not lined up, is it? That one doesn't look lined up. That might be difficult. Look, see the top of the bracket cuts in slightly. HDMI will fit, display port will fit, but this one seems a bit misaligned. Anyway, that's the unboxing. So check out the next video. So this is slippy at the top. Don't like this. You pull it in and your hand pulls. I don't really like that filter.
I like it.
Best remove the filter when you want to move the box, otherwise you don't have any grip. You put your hand there and it goes, slips. Put the filter there. It's alright when it's in use and you're not moving it, but when you're doing, yeah, see, now you can move it. So that's the unboxing of an OverClockers custom built PC. Cost £1,000. Ordered on the 1st of July, delivered on the 17th. Check out the next video when we look at the quality of the system build. We remove all of the stuff that stop it from components from moving around in transit. And then the other videos where we fire it up for the first time and then test it without adjusting any of its settings. How it performs, temperature, Cinebench. It's a 3600X system in here. You know, we could have gone with 3600, saved a little bit, but doesn't have any in stock. You have to go with what they've got, 3600X. Still a lot of stock problems at this point. So that's what you get when you buy an OverClockers system in terms of delivery and what to expect when you unbox it. Well packaged, you know, they're well practiced, they know to go the extra mile to protect it in transit, so the system survives delivery. And next we'll open it up and see what the quality of build is like. Initially this seems like there might be a slight issue there with that display port.
She might not use it.
But you got three options if in its issue. And oh yeah, let's have a look at the welcome pack. What have we got in here? Oh, you got another power lead. That's it basically.
And a book.
Yeah, system setup. You got a little system setup checklist. You got a little checklist there what they've done. So you got a checklist in the box of what they've gone through. Serial number, back of the build. Just basically a checklist of what they've done. Quality control. There's nothing else in here. So there's nothing else in the little welcome box apart from a power lead, which I think you get with in here as well. As we got two power leads.
Oh my gosh!
You get one with the motherboard and one with the pack. So that's good. You got a spare one if you need a spare one. Yeah, one's enough. But nothing else. No, disappointing. There's no cable for the graphics card. That would have been of use. Rather than giving an extra power supply, they could have given even a HDMI cable. Not a big thing, just a small thing. Better than having two of these. You got a question?
But where's the keyboard?
Oh, you don't get keyboard and mouse. You have to pay separate for them.
Oh.
Just a base unit. First impressions are, looks okay. Looks good. It's got that better to have at the top, unless it's under a table, then that's going to be a problem. It's going to stick out. I prefer them to have everything at the front so you can plug in easily. At the top, you know, that's a sign of a cheap case, basically. It's not something I've seen. Usually they have them, well, if they have them at the top, they're usually here. This one is, oh, I'm sweating a bit. This one's pretty recessed, it's going to be under the table. So do check out the next video, is when we look at the quality of build. But in terms of delivery and packaging, they passed that test. Get basically 10 out of 10 for delivery and packaging, because there's nothing's broken. Very good packaging, and you basically got it what you'd expect. The boxes of the components, and you got all the motherboard stuff in here. You know, all the basically power supply, where you plug in to extend the power supply, because they only have plugged in what you need, you know, so you can have a more aesthetic system rather than plugging everything in. So that's why all those connectors are there.
And it comes with an extra box.
Yeah, and we will now, in the next video, open the base unit up and look at the quality of build.